So right now we're going to look at some word problems, but these word problems also have to do with determining the diameter and the radius from a given circumference. And to do that, we can use one of the two formulas you see below. So one of these two formulas can be used to determine what our diameter or radius is given a circumference. The first thing we need to do is have a look at the description. So we have a circular tabletop that has a boundary length of 18 centimeters. So a circular tabletop with a boundary of 18 centimeters, that just means that in A, our circumference is equal to 18 centimeters. Now, it's asking us how wide is it through the middle. So how wide a table would be, or any circle would be, all the way from one side to the other would be the diameter. So it's asking us to find the diameter. And in that case, what we're going to use is this particular formula here. So our diameter is going to be equal to our circumference, which is 18 centimeters, divided by pi. Okay, so our diameter is equal to, we'll bring up our calculator, and we'll do 18 divided by pi and hit execute, and we'll get 5.729, so 5.73. Alright, if we look at B, we have a small coin, so another circular object that measures 16 millimeters all the way around, so our circumference is equal to 16 millimeters. How far is it from the center to the edge? Now if you think about a circle, if we go from the center to the edge, that's just our radius. So our radius is going to use this formula here, where r is equal to our circumference, which is 16, divided by 2 pi. Alright, so after we've done that, we get a radius of 2.546, and if we were to round that to 2 decimal places, we get 2.55. Okay, here's a couple for you guys to practice, so just give the video a pause, give them a go, and then I will solve them. Alright, let's get started. So in the first one, we've got a round pond. It has an edge length of 7.8 meters. That means for C, our circumference is equal to 7.8 meters. And it wants to know the total straight line distance across the center. That means we're trying to find our diameter. So D is equal to 7.8 divided by pi. Let's just bring up our calculator. Alright, the result is 2.48, so let's write that in. Let's look at D. We have a circular running track. It has an outer boundary of 44.1 meters, so its circumference is equal to 44.1 meters. And how far is it from the center to the outer edge means we want the radius, so our radius is going to be equal to 44.1 divided by 2 pi, or 2 times pi. Alright, the result is 7.018, so we're just going to round up that last digit to get to 2 decimal places and do 7.02. And that is in meters. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it's helpful, and I will see you in the next one.